Hey, what's up and welcome to yet another video. In this video, we're going to be looking at a foldable. As we all know, Samsung officially made its 6th generation of foldables available in the Kenyan market, of course globally, about a month ago. And this year, Samsung has gone big on the phones with the integration of AI. Galaxy AI, and of course Google AI and Google Gemini. Of course, the phones are also thinner, they're also brighter, and comes with high resolution folding display. And of course, what we have here is the Galaxy Z Fold 6, and as I said, it's available for purchase in Kenya already, and you can buy this phone for 264,000 for local pricing, and where the Flip is available cheaper for 148,000 Kenyan shillings. And of course, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is my favorite in this series. I've always been a fan of foldables, and that's why our good friends at Samsung sent us this review on it. I'm going to be telling you a few things about this phone, what you need to know, the specs, the camera, of course, highlight some of the Galaxy AI features that Samsung has integrated on this phone. So let's take it away. So one of the things, of course, you take note of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is, of course, the folding mechanism. And when unfolded, you are getting a 7.6-inch touchscreen display that is fully compatible with the included S Pen stylus. We didn't get a chance to get the stylus because Samsung just sent us this unit as it is, no stylus. But of course, this big screen is really good for multitasking and streaming. This screen also offers very vibrant colors and crisp details, something I really liked about the phone. And the outer screen, on the other hand, is 6.3 inches with a resolution of 120Hz refresh rate. And of course, Samsung continues to impress with its sleek and durable build, as we have seen in the, especially in the 5th generation of the foldables. We are getting a really refined hinge and a robust frame, and Samsung actually made significant improvements in durability on this phone. The hinge mechanism is smoother than we have seen, and of course the crease is less noticeable, providing a more seamless fold. So again, whether you're multitasking, enjoying multimedia content, the Fold 6 main display delivers a very immersive experience, which of course we really like during the experience with this phone. The biggest upgrade over the last year's Z Fold 6, of course, is the addition of Google AI. So we are getting a lot of Google AI features that Samsung has integrated on this phone. For example, there's the Galaxy AI, of course. There's Call Assist that helps you get real-time translation during voice calls. Then we have the Chat Assist that translates messages in select chat and text messages apps. And of course, using this app, you can compose full text based on snippets or requests written, and you can actually change your writing style and also get spelling and grammar suggestions. So that's quite interesting. Also, there's the interpreter that live translation or spoken conversations available on voice or text. Then Note Assist that auto formats or summarizes, spell checks, and translates notes or decorates them with AI generated covers and images. Then Transcript Assist that transforms recordings into text transcripts and of course summarizes them. You can review and translate. There's Browsing Assist, there's Photo Assist that transform portraits using a variety of font styles. Of course, Drawing Assist and Photo Ambient Wallpaper. A lot of AI features or AI advanced intelligence features you can actually play around with on the Galaxy Z Fold 6. In fact, Samsung says Galaxy AI advanced intelligent features use powerful machine learning technology to let you do more than ever before with their Galaxy devices. You can translate phone calls in real time, generate summaries of notes and web pages, edit photos in amazing new ways, and more. So a lot of AI features you can actually play around with on the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Something else, you're getting a 4,400 mAh battery on this phone. That should not last you on full charge a whole day. And powering the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy processor, which offers you up to 18% faster CPU performance, 19% faster GPU performance, and of course enhanced on-device AI performance compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. For gaming or multitasking, this phone can actually handle all without ease, so you can play your favorite games without the phone experiencing any sluggishness. And again, it's a 5G phone, so of course expect some 5G connectivity, faster reliable speeds and connections using 5G. Currently, of course, we've seen a lot of operators going big with 5G, so these phones really come in handy for you to experience 5G connections in different parts of the country. And also, Samsung is promising 7 years of OS and security updates on this phone, so something to look forward to. And yeah, it's available in 3 variants. So there's the 256GB variant, 512GB, and the 1TB variant internal storage. And yeah, it's a very light phone compared to what we saw last year, 239 grams instead of the 253 grams we saw on the Z Fold 5. And of course, Samsung's One UI performance, it's always one of my favorite UIs, in any smartphone, because it's really optimized for the foldable experience, offering new features like, of course, flex mode, which lets you use the device hands-free, and multi-window support for enhanced productivity. For the cameras, we are still getting the same hardware that we saw on the Galaxy Z Fold 5. That is the 50 megapixel main camera and a 10 megapixels 3x telephoto. And Samsung has, however, updated the ultra wide this year to 12 megapixels, so for better low light performance. So that's it for this video. We're going to be having a written review article that highlights more of these features to give you a more glimpse of what should we expect should you decide to buy the Galaxy Z Fold 6. As we said, this phone is available for 264,000 Kenya shillings in Kenya, and you can purchase one from any of those Samsung retail shops, brand card, or just any Samsung authorized dealers across the country. Thank you so much for watching this brief video. I'll see you in the next one.